Hi, bright learners! Today, we're going to learn 10 real-life conversations you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Ordering at the cafe.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. What kind of milk would you like? Whole milk or oat milk?
Oat milk, please. Oh, those muffins look great. Which one is good?
The blueberry muffins are fresh and very popular today.
Perfect. I'll take one, please.
Great! 1 oat milk latte and a blueberry muffin. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, your total is $9. You can pay right here.
Where is the mailbox?
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest mailbox is?
Yeah, there's one right down the street, next to the cafe.
Great, thanks a lot.
Oh wait, look at that envelope. It's way too big for the slot. It won't fit.
Oh, really? What should I do then?
You should go to the post office. It's just 2 blocks away. They can take it there.
You're right. Thanks for the heads up.
No problem. Have a good one.
The Snoring Crisis.
Oh, morning, honey. Wow, I slept like a log last night. I feel so refreshed.
Well, good for you. I, on the other hand, didn't sleep a wink.
Oh no, why? What happened?
Your snoring was like a thunderstorm right next to my ear all night. I tried tossing and turning, but I couldn't block it out.
Oh, really? I'm so sorry, babe. I guess I was just exhausted from work.
Next time, please try sleeping on your side. Look at me, I have huge dark circles under my eyes now.
First day at ESL class.
Hi, I'm Yuki. I just moved here last month. Nice to meet you.
Hi Yuki, I'm Anya. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. How about you?
I'm from India. I got here 3 weeks ago.
Oh, we're both very new here. How do you like the city so far?
It's very beautiful, but everything is so big and busy.
I agree. The transit system is a bit confusing for me.
Me too. But this ESL class is great. The teacher is very kind.
Yes. Do you want to practice English together during the break?
I'd love to. Let's do that.
A salon disaster.
Oh my god! Why is my hair neon purple? This is a total disaster.
I'm so sorry. I think the toner was left on just a bit too long.
How am I supposed to go out like this? I have a big job interview tomorrow.
Please don't panic. It's completely my fault. Tell you what, I'll apply a gentle color remover right now and re-dye it to the deep chestnut brown you wanted. It'll be completely free.
Fine, let's do that. Just please, make sure there are no more surprises.
Ordering at McDonald's.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a Big Mac meal, please?
Sure. Would you like a medium or a large meal?
Medium is fine, thanks.
And what drink would you like with that?
Can I get a Coke, please? Oh, and with no ice.
You got it. A medium Big Mac meal with a Coke, no ice. Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a 6-piece chicken McNuggets?
Absolutely. Which dipping sauce would you like? We have barbecue, sweet and sour, and honey mustard.
Barbecue sauce, please.
Perfect. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
All right. Your total is $14.50. You can pay right here when you're ready.
An accidental goal. Leo, look at this.
I am sorry, Mom.
You broke my flower pot. The flowers are on the ground.
I kicked the soccer ball. It hit the pot.
I told you before, do not kick the ball near the house.
I wanted to practice a hard kick.
Look at your clothes and face. You're very dirty.
Yes, I fell in the mud.
Clean up this mess first. Then, go and wash your hands.
Okay, Mom. I will do it right now.
Caught in the rain.
Oh my goodness, Sarah. You look like a drowned rat. You're totally soaked.
I know. I'm a complete mess right now.
What happened? Didn't you check the weather before you left?
I did. I checked the forecast and it said there'd be no rain today.
So you didn't bring an umbrella?
Exactly. But as soon as I stepped off the bus, it started pouring.
Oh no. Weather forecasts are never 100% accurate. You should always keep a small umbrella in your bag.
Lesson learned. Next time, I'm not trusting the weather app. Now, I really need a hot shower and some dry clothes.
Meeting the neighbors.
Hi there, I'm Mark. I just moved into the house across the street last week.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood, Mark. I'm Elena. It's so nice to meet you. How do you like the area so far?
It's wonderful. Everyone is so friendly. This barbecue party is amazing.
It really is. We do this every summer. Here, please grab a plate and help yourself to some food. The burgers are fresh off the grill.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious. Did you make this salad?
Yes, I did. I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Thanks again, Elena. I'm really glad I came today.
Me too, Mark. Welcome to our community. If you ever need anything, just let me know.
Time to relax.
Come on, honey, sit with me and try some meditation. It really helps to clear your mind and relax after a long day.
Thanks for the offer, babe, but I think I'm good right here.
Oh, come on, just 5 minutes. You've been staring at screens all day. It'll make you feel so much better.
Honestly, for me, the best way to relax is just being a total couch potato right here. My body is glued to this sofa.
Fair enough, but don't fall asleep before dinner, okay?
No promises. This couch is just too comfortable.
Great job today! If this video helped you learn some daily English, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!